Good evening, ABR Market Watch viewers. Today's market story is one of intrigue and uncertainty as we grapple with the repercussions of US visa restrictions on H-1B visas and tariffs on branded drugs. The BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty indices have taken a hit, falling by around 0.9%, marking one of the steepest weekly drops in nearly 7 months. The Indian rupee has dipped against the US dollar, reflecting investor concerns over potential impacts on trade, remittances, and foreign investments. Government bonds saw a slight yield increase as traders held back ahead of the government's borrowing schedule, while overnight index swaps, call money rates, and TREPS rates all inched up marginally. In essence, it seems that a combination of geopolitical tensions and economic factors has contributed to a downturn in the Indian stock market and currency today. The IT sector, in particular, suffered steep losses due to the increased visa fees, with the IT index plummeting nearly 8% for the week, its sharpest decline in about 7 months. Meanwhile, Trump's sudden focus on the pharmaceutical sector led to a drop of over 5% for the pharma index this week. Foreign investors have resumed selling Indian shares, totaling approximately $1.4 billion this week due to uncertainty arising from these actions. However, amidst this turbulence, there were some bright spots. Infrastructure major Larsen & Toubro bucked the trend by rising 2.3% after exiting a loss-making Hyderabad Metro Rail project. In summary, US visa policies and pharmaceutical tariffs are currently causing significant ripples in India's equity markets, particularly for IT and pharmaceutical sectors. As we move forward, it will be fascinating to observe how these developments unfold and impact our market landscape. Stay tuned to ABR Market Watch as we continue to bring you the latest updates on this evolving situation.